Hello everyone, I am Vivek Jamval, team member LEXIS and Company, and my today's topic is installation of cameras in courtrooms. The Supreme Court has directed the installation of closed circuits, that is CCTV cameras, inside lower courts in at least 2 districts in every state and union territory within the next 3 months. After years of hesitation and reluctance, the Supreme Court has finally permitted installation of CCTV cameras without audio recording. In an unprecedented order by the Apex Court, a bench of Justice Adarsh K. Goel and Uday U. Lalit directed 24 high courts across the country to assure that district and sessions court in a minimum 2 districts in every state and union territories have CCTV cameras installed inside room and also in the court precincts within 3 months. However, the Supreme Court barred access to video footage to lawyers, litigants, and the general public through the Right to Information Act. The bench stated that we may make it clear that footage of CCTV cameras will not be available under RTI Act and will not be supplied to anyone without the permission of concerned High Court. Installation may be completed within 3 months from today. We directed that at least in 2 districts in every state, union territory, with the exception of small states, union territories where it may be considered too difficult to do so by concerned High Courts, CCTV cameras may be installed inside the courts and as such important locations of the court complexes as may be considered appropriate. The Supreme Court bench. Unlike Parliament and legislative bodies across the countries, proceedings inside a courtroom have been a closely guarded affair with no access given to prying eyes. Court recorded are neither recorded via audio or video. Judges in India have always defended their freedom to engage in their work away from the eyes of the camera, unlike in some other countries and international courts. The order of the judicial side has come following several rounds of deliberations between the central government and the top judicial on the issue of audio-video recording of the court proceedings. Since August 2013, Union law ministers have written to the Chief Justices of India at least thrice to consider recording the court proceedings in the interest of transparency and better case management. Many PILs in the past have been filed demanding audio-video recording of proceedings, but all were dismissed by the court, even though law commissions and had made recommendations favoring audio-video recording. The Supreme Court has been given the order High Courts to decide the locations of district courts where the experiment should be held and any other issues concerning the subject. It, however, exempted small states and union territories from this exercise, possibly considering the infrastructural handicap these states and UTs face, which would make it difficult for them effectively implement the order. The installation of CCTV in the courtroom is a historic step. However, how much it would help to bring transparency in your judicial system is still arguable. Let's welcome the positive change altogether with the best hope. So, it means that बहुत ही लॉयर्स ने, बहुत ही PILs फॉर्म हुई, बहुत ही NGOs ने ये कहा गया कि कोर्ट की जो प्रोसीडिंग्स है, कोर्ट में जो ट्रायल्स होते हैं, वो सब रिकॉर्डेड होने चाहिए, बोथ ऑडियो एंड वीडियो. बट कोर्ट इसको बार बार रद्द कर देते थे इनकी रिक्वेस्ट को और वो रिकॉर्डेड नहीं करते थे और इसके लिए इजाज़त नहीं दी थी कि कोर्ट की जो प्रोसीडिंग्स है वो रिकॉर्ड होंगी. बट रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि विद इन 3 मंथ्स सारी एटलीस्ट हर स्टेट में मिनिमम 2 लोअर कोर्ट्स में कैमरे होने चाहिए बट विदाउट audio. The audio is limited and audio will not be there of cameras, but still cameras will be there, but only you can view it. And also और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये भी बोला है कि इसको हर कोई नहीं ले सकता, बल्कि RTI से कोई भी ऐसे ये नहीं बोलेगा RTI कि मेरे को चाहिए राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन, तो मैं वीडियो देखना चाहता हूँ, वो किसी को ही मिलेगा और वो ओनली लॉयर्स, एडवोकेट्स और ओनली लीगल पर्सन जो कि उसके लिए ऑथराइज्ड हैं, सिर्फ उनको मिलेगा. देन थर्डली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ये विद इन 3 मंथ्स लग जाने चाहिए, और इसके लगने के बाद ये सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों को ये मिले जाएगा। सो देखते हैं इसको पॉजिटिव चेंज में इसको माना जाएगा कि इससे लोगों को हेल्प मिलेगी या नहीं। होप यू विल गेट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू।